connection converges change. The promotion of special products for Wanda Cable. China Wanda Group, the mother company of Wanda Cable Group, ranking as one of the Chinese top 500 enterprises, is named the National Key High-Tech Enterprise by Ministry of Science and Technology of China. With the total assets of more than 50 billion RMB and over 10,000 outstanding employees, its business scope covers the following national key areas: chemical engineering, tire, cable, real estate, logistics, finance. And its products are exported to 162 countries and regions. By virtue of the group's scientific research capabilities and global layout, Shandong Wanda Cable Company Limited is among the Chinese top 10 company in wire and cable industry. It has a whole range of high, medium, and low voltage cable and submarine cable products. As the biggest manufacturer in terms of logging cable and electrical submersible pump cable in China, it fills the blank of domestic and overseas market for many times. Wanda Cable not only provides long-term services for national key projects, including National Grid, PetroChina, Sinopec, but also marches into the global market successfully, becoming a Wisdom in China brand with the self-support right of import and export. In 1961, Shengli oil field started from here. Wanda Oil Cable Factory painstakingly developed various cables special for oil field to overcome difficulties of high temperature, high pressure, and strong corrosion environment in the well, breaking the international monopoly in this respect. Now, it has become the largest domestic developer and manufacturer in oil special cable, and participating in drafting the production and inspection standards of submersible pump cable, logging cable, and other products. Today, submersible pump cable and logging cable as the representatives of Wanda Oil Cable, its business have pervaded in the entire domestic big oil fields, occupying 35% of market shares. At the same time, they are exported to more than 100 countries and regions in the world. In the field of submersible pump cable, Wanda Cable can annually produce more than 4,500 kilometers of electrical submersible pump cable and leading cable, perfectly matching the international standard. The company has 8 internationally advanced armoring production lines for the submersible pump cable. 6 sets of them are originally imported from Canada. In order to farthest guarantee the wire cores without damage, we adopt an invariant type armoring process. There are 5 vulcanizing production lines. One of them is the most advanced 3-tier co-extrusion vulcanizing production lines of the world, which imported from Mylefer, Finland. With full computer control, it can realize a one-timely vulcanization molding. It has 2 most domestically advanced continuous extrusion-led production lines with continuous extrusion on the conditions of constant temperature, pressure, and speed. They can produce submersible pump cable with lead sheath or CUPB alloy sheath. With 2 high-temperature fluorine plastic extrusion lines, it can customize the most appropriate heating temperature according to the different plastic processing technologies. The 2 polypropylene production lines can realize one timely extrusion molding with extremely high oxidation and aging resistance performance. In the field of logging cable, Wanda has over 30 varieties of conventional logging cable products continuing in 4 temperature grades, diameter range from 3.5 to 13.2 millimeters, and single core to 7 core, and so on. Hence its comprehensive production capacity ranking the first in China. Wanda Cable tries its best to better itself in every production link to achieve the excellent performance. Conductor drawing, the most domestically advanced efficient drawbench with continuous drawing and annealing. High-speed buncher conductor stranding, stranded conductor importing plate under balance tension within the fluctuation range 1 per mil. Large diameter automatic payoff system avoiding joints problem of copper stranding wire. Extruded insulation Davis 50 type high temperature extruders from the United States with synchronous extrusion and double insulation technology and online compression resistance test and automatic measurement system of wire diameter. The equipment of wire core stranding and steel wire armoring, domestically advanced high-speed cage-like continuous back twist AC frequency conversion units to avoid the tension imbalance of wire core and steel wire. Heat pre-stretching units imported from Krupp, Germany to ensure balance stretch of the cable in constant heating temperature. Transitional phase, outstanding technical craft and the internationally advanced manufacturing facilities ensure the advanced quality of Wanda special cable for oil well. And this is just one facet. From the source, high-quality raw materials selected from the world makes Wanda Cable to achieve the final quality assurance and improvement. Each batch of finished cable from Wanda needs successively more than 40 sets of experimental instruments to do over 50 sheets. Where there is Wanda Cable, there is Wanda Service. Wanda Cable sets up the main service station in each big domestic oil field and expands to the surrounding areas. While we step to the world, our scientific research and development level is also in line with the international standards. Research and development teams with the international first-class standards will be constructed around the state-level Enterprise Technology Center and National Library and Postdoctoral Science Research Station. At present, Wanda Cable has obtained more than 100 national patents, including 9 patents in submersible pump cable and over 30 patents in load-bearable detective cable. The accumulation of strong scientific research strength creates a hotbed for the birth of new products in the field of submersible oil pump cable. Polyamide F46 composite film-wrapped round copper wire with only 0.15 millimeters of insulated thickness and more than 35 kilovolts of breakdown voltage, it can satisfy the use of the compact motor for a long time in high temperature. Peak extruded round copper wire, the first domestic polyether ether ketone submersible oil pump cable. Compared with the PFA, it presents better anti-wear and anti-corrosion performance and higher dielectric strength. Injected submersible oil pump cable, inserting stainless seamless tube into the submersible oil pump cable to facilitate the artificial lift systems for rapid oil extraction. Enhanced ordinary anti-corrosion double injected control armoring composite flat cable. The cable is covered with sheath to improve the corrosion and mechanical forces resistance performance, hence prolonging the lifespan. In the field of detective cable, the load-bearable detective hard cable for horizontal well logging, relying on its own gravity to automatically descend to the well, avoiding the damage to the cable during traditional operation. Special photoelectric composite logging anti-sulfur optical cable, filling much domestic technology blank, realizing simultaneous or separate transmission of optical signals and electrical signals and applying to the joint acquisition transmission of multiple complex parameters. High-power ultrasonic cable using high-frequency ultrasonic to filter out the potential oil in the downhole rock cracks with certain range and efficiently finishing gathering together and concentrated mining. With continuous innovation, Wanda Cable is gradually to achieve the new breakthrough and bring new market opportunities. Stay firmly rooted in the present, change the future, with the starting of one belt and one road, continues furtherance of the blue-yellow strategy and continuously rising influence of China's Wanda Group in the global market. They will help Wanda Cable expand its market territory throughout the world. Wanda Cable was made for connection, connecting more efficient production and more excellent industrial pattern. Connecting you and me and connecting now and the future. Wanda Cable connects the whole world.